6 nice little strips of honey, 2 slabs of butter, cinnamon sugar, apple slices, Pillsbury croissant dough sheets right on top, butter, and we're gonna brush. Vanilla glaze.
We're making it. I hope you guys don't mind if I make mine a little bit more disability friendly and a little bit more black. So I'm gonna put the honey down in these strips just like he did. And instead of knobs of butter, since we don't chop anything, I'm just gonna put little dollops of softened butter. All right, he topped his with cinnamon sugar, so we're gonna add cinnamon sugar. I feel like cinnamon sugar makes everything good. And instead of apples, I really hate apples, but also it's Black History Month, so I'm gonna use some peaches. Just some peach slices right on top of the butter. 3 peach slices on each toaster strudel. He used regular crescent rolls, but these are the King's Hawaiian crescent rolls, and I'm using these just because it felt like the right thing to do. That opened so easy, thank goodness. And then I'm just gonna put this right on top. These smell so good already, and they have not even gone in the air fryer yet. And he said brush a little butter on the top. I don't know where my brush is at the moment, so I'm gonna just use the back of the spoon to somewhat coat it in butter. All right, now it's ready for the air fryer. And I get these little foil pans from the Dollar Tree, by the way. They fit right in the air fryer. It's kind of cool. While that air fries, I'm gonna make my glaze. I have some powdered sugar, a tiny bit of milk. I'm not even measuring anything, but I will put measurements in the caption, and just a little dab of vanilla bean paste. Give that a tiny whisk, and that's about where you want it to be. Also, feel free to substitute any of these ingredients for the vegan version. You can use your favorite vegan milk, you can use your favorite vegan butter. Perfect. Look at this. How gorgeous is that? I have never made something this beautiful with such little effort. That is gorgeous, and it smells incredible. This is the glaze that we made. Let's go ahead and drizzle. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look how gorgeous this is. You should definitely make it. But how does it taste? That's phenomenal. Look how beautiful. Let me see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, Lord.